What is going on YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and boy, are things about to get interesting. No, your eyes do not deceive you, folks. This is a 1977 GMC 454 freaking wedge truck. Yeah. No. I'm not messing you guys around. Oh yeah. I got 3 words for you guys. Big block Chevy. As far as plans for this giant, ridiculous, this is, I forgot how many feet long this thing was. It was like 20 something feet long. This thing is ridiculous, guys. There isn't many of these on the road today that you see. You'll be getting a full in-depth tour of this thing. I mean, dude, it's like an entire car in just a bed alone, and just a cab alone. But if you noticed, attached to the wedge truck is a GMC Sonoma, and of course we can't leave behind the Chevy Malibu race car. But here is where the catch comes, guys, okay? And many of you guys who follow this channel specifically for my Crown Vic content, I'm pretty sure you guys can get behind this. And honestly, I can't even continue to work on the Roush Cobra Vic project without this person that I'm about to mention. So I'm gonna ask you guys to please go check out my good friend Michael. He's gonna be one of the main people who will be helping me build the roll cage for the Roush Cobra Vic and install the actual Cobra engine in it. The very least we can do, guys, to show him some support is go check out his channel at Hildreth Garage. It's gonna be right there, Hildreth Garage. Now, it's not just any old channel because you're going to be seeing a lot of me on that channel, and we're going to be working on projects that are usually not Crown Victoria related. What the hell am I talking about? I'm talking about full-blown race car build. I'm talking about a drag GMC Sonoma. Yeah, drag racing GMC Sonoma. And of course, you guys can follow along with a build on this magnificent beast, this roaming dinosaur of a wedge truck. This car was driven about 30 miles with a loose steering column and essentially no brakes. I came along for that entire white knuckle ride. Of course, I wasn't in the passenger seat because I got like 7 kids and daddy got to come home to his kids. But Michael was driving this car with no brakes, loose steer. It's going to be interesting. The entire white knuckle drive of that video is now on Hildreth Garage. And like I said, guys, that is where you're going to find the rest of the progress, the build progress on the wedge truck, on the drag racing GMC Sonoma, and of course, the Chevy Malibu race car. And so with that, I will leave you guys. I got to go do a couple of things to this beast to kind of keep it running. But either way, it's your boy, Mr. Random. I will see you guys at Hildreth Garage. You're going to be seeing a lot of me there. And you don't want to miss this freaking white knuckle ride that this thing was in the rain, in the dark, in the middle of the night with no brakes and a loose steering column. It was ridiculous, but it was a lot of fun. So go check it out at Hildreth Garage. I'll see you guys over there.